Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be dealing with a problem you probably have on your Jeep TJ, is that the door gets all screwed up. You cannot open it, and it doesn't feel like there's anything going on there. Like there's kind of some binding. And if you want to open up the door, you have to turn the lock, hold it open, and that's how it works. Now, theoretically, it should be still open, but as soon as you close it, go to open it, nothing. So we're going to take the door apart and see what we can do to fix it.
So if you guys been watching my channel, I've already covered every process of taking the door panel off. So I'm just going to jump right into it.
So once the door panel's off, you got this sleeve here. And what we got to get at is the lock mechanism in behind, so just got to peel this down to about there. I'm also going to pull this off for access. It only looks like there's 4 bolts. Now upon inspection here, I am not seeing anything that's broken or bent, because you got these pieces. Usually these plastic pieces will bend, and there's another piece way down in there. Try to get a light. So that bar where the lock tumbler is can sometimes get bent as well. So now, I wonder if I just lubricate it and see what happens. So this is a silicone lubricant. I don't even know if you can buy this anymore.
So the interesting thing is you can operate it normally, but some reason when you close the door, it won't. This lock mechanism kind of goes in the middle. So right now I'm going through the process of elimination. I disconnected this, and by doing that, I want to see if I could open and close the door, but I couldn't from the outside. So the issue wasn't with this top one, so I'm going to remove this bottom one, see if that's going to be the culprit. So I remove that, and it's the same thing. I have to hold that, open it, so those aren't the issue. So which means it must be within there. So I'm going to remove those 3 bolts and kind of slide that out some so I can have a better look at it. So to get this thing out, you want to put the door lock lever, hold that up, and then twist her out after you got all the linkages. So I feel something's wrong because you can see there doesn't seem to be too much play, but there's a couple Phillips in the front I'm going to remove. Well, for one, there's pieces of glass in there. So the window must have been smashed once before. Somehow glass got in there, but I got way more movement now. You see now that the glass is out? Way more movement now. Well, it's a moment of truth. Oh, yeah. Inside one work? Yes. And it's fixed. Using the process of elimination. In all honesty, how I fixed my door from not opening to opening again is probably very slim that someone else is going to run into the same issue. However, I went through the process of elimination to figure out what the issue was. And if you do a process of elimination as well, hopefully you'll be able to figure out what your issue is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.